Hi guys, my name is Josh and I'm 11. Today we'll be making pancakes without baking soda.
So Josh, what do we have?
We have a cup of milk, 2 eggs, a cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 pinch of salt.
So Josh, what did you do?
You're going to mix the dry stuff first. First you're going to put flour in a bowl, then you're going to put a pinch of salt, and then you're going to pour 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we're going to separate the egg yolk and the white. Now we're going to pour the milk into the mixture. Now we're just going to keep stirring until the dough becomes fluffy. Now we have to beat the egg whites and beat them fast. Now we're going to pour the egg white into the bowl. So we're going to pour that. And now we're going to stir the bowl. And now we're going to beat it up so fast that it explodes. Hey guys, we're just heating up the butter. The shark is annoying me. Yes, the shark. Ew, get away! Get away! Make sure the pan's not sticky. Now I'm going to pour the mixture into the pan. And when there are bubbles, flip the pancake.
What are you gonna add with the pancake, Josh?
Syrup. Now we add the syrup. Well, that gets a 9 out of 10.